yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy.
Good afternoon, everyone. So let me introduce about myself. My name is Maida Simaniruk. I'm from Sekolah Tinggi Pariwisata Bogor. Today, I would like to present my research about how customer experience affect repurchase intention. Okay, study at Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok. Okay. I'm going to divide this presentation into 10 slides. So first, I'll take you through my outline. For my presentation consists of introduction, literature review, the research method, and then we'll look at the result and discussion of the research. Following that, I will discuss my conclusion and possible suggestion. So now let's begin by looking at the next slide. Okay, so in reaching the point of customer satisfaction to generate consumer repurchase intention, a cafe business has to take into account how much the determination of the price, menu to be offered, and the quality of the service that will be provided by the cafe. So, but for now, focusing attention on those aspects is taken for granted. Therefore, now is the time for the cafe to be aggressive in carrying out promotion, as well as provide unique benefits and experience for the customer, so the customer are very memorable and can always remember it. So the service provided must be able to evoke sensation and experience that will begin generate repurchase interest in a company. So in creating a customer experience, the company will always be emotional, involved in much activities, so the customer will get a unique, memorable, and unforgettable experience on the spot, and we create a sense of desired revisit. Uh, for the next slide, building customer experience is an important part of the marketing strategy because experience is the main step to win customer heart. After the feel, how the quality of the product and the service, customer will provide good information to other customer. The higher the customer experience, it will be clearly affect consumer satisfaction and will directly affect the consumer decide to revisit and buy the product sold. So with a not so tragic location, Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok has several advantages. So it has comfort and a quite rural atmosphere that makes customer happy. With the experience provided in the form of the best service and providing a different atmosphere from the exciting cafe, consumer will feel happy, comfortable, and make Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok so it's the main choice for the repurchase. So for the literature review, according to Upayani, Susrasa, and Anggreni, customer experience is a personal experience that is obtained due to certain stimuli. For example, those given by marketing before and after the purchase of goods and service, customer experience refer to the experience felt by customer of brand, product, or service to increase the value of the sale. And for the according the Smith, Monica, and Vidani Singh, 5 dimension of the customer experience are is sense, feel, think, act, and related. So for the first one, sense, associate with the style, verbal, and visual that can create an impression that can be remembered by the customer. And then for the second, feel, it related to the mood and emotion of person sold. This is not just about pictures, but the mood and emotion of the soul that can evoke happiness or even sadness. And then for the third things, creative thought that arise in the mind of the customer of a brand company. Customers are invited to engage in creative thinking. And then for the act, the actual behavior and lifestyle of a person, it has to do with how to get people to the things and express their lifestyle. So experience includes plus that related to the body, not only the senses and perception of the outside world. The action of the mention also work Philip, which can cause interaction. Yeah, and the last one for the related attempt to connect one person to another, to a brand or company and a culture. This related to person culture and reference group that can be create in identity. And repurchase intention that occur continually can mean that the customer has become a very loyal customer for a product or service. So there are 4 indicators to measure repurchase intention: transaction interest, representative interest, preferential interest, exploratory interest. So for the first one, transaction interest is a person tends to buy a product, and the second, representative interest, the tends a person to refer product to other. And for the preferential interest, an interest that describes the behavior of someone who has a primary preference for the product, and it can only be changed if something happened to the preferred product. So, and the last one, for the exploratory interest, the behavior of someone who always looking for the information about the product of interest and looking for the information to support the positive property of the product. So, purpose of the study, so knowing the customer experience has an effect on customer repurchase intention at the cafe, warung kopi tepi Sungai Depok. So for the research method, this research was conducted at Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok for 5 months from the March until July 2021. So, and then for the data type and source, the type of research data consists of primary data and secondary data. Both the quality and the quantity data were used in the current research. And for the research population and sample, the research sampling is based on the requirement of the regression analysis, in which its requirement for the number of sample are 101. Okay, and then for the variable and data analysis, the complete and structure closed-ended questionnaire were called and key in the statistical package for the social sciences, SPSS. Okay, and for the and described analysis such as mean, standard deviation, and correlation analysis was performed. Okay, we see for the result and discussion. The multi-item statement are designed for a 5-point Likert scale ranging from 1, strongly disagree, to 5, strongly agree. So we can see from the table 2, the height mean value is on CES3 indicator statement, which is an average at 4.38, which means the respondent agree that Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok has an interior with all design and unique style atmosphere. Where the lowest mean value is on the statement of customer experience statement, statement CER2, which is at the average of 3.18, which means the neutral respondent state that Cafe Warung Kopi Tepi Sungai Depok has not provided a website facilities to establish direct relationship with the customer. Okay, so we can see from the result and discussion for the reliability analysis, and then regression analysis, and the last one is hypothesis the testing result. We can see from the table 3, the reliability test methods used in the Cronbach alpha method construct is considered reliable if the alpha coefficient is more than 0.7. So we can see from for the customer experience and repurchase intention. So the point is more than 0.7. And for the result, the regression analysis, as in the table on 4, okay, the number is 0.6.3, 0.6.43. This shows that there is strong relationship between customer experience and repurchase intention. So determination coefficient is obtained R squared by 0.414. So this shows that percentage contribution of the influence customer experience on repurchase intention by 41.4%, while 58.6% is influenced by other variable not action. Again, and then for the table 5, hypothesis for the testing result. So we can see the result of the t-test analysis related to customer experience on repurchase intention at Cafe Warung Tepi Sungai was obtained and 8.3 356 more than T table. So with it mean the significant, okay, and the positive T value indicate the customer experience has direct relationship with the repurchase intention. So it can be conclude that the customer experience has a significant influence on the repurchase intention. And the last one for the conclusion. So based on the result of the study, the conclusion, the dimension of the customer experience are sense, feel, think, act, and related positively and significantly contribute to repurchase intention. Okay, one of the indicator customer experience variable has the lowest value. Okay, an indicator of the use of the website cafe warung kopi tepi Sungai Depok. So a website needs to be created so the customer can use the website to make reservation easily, buy product through the website, or find out all the latest information related to the cafe warung kopi tepi Sungai Depok to establish a direct relationship with customer. While the lowest mean value on the repurchase intention indicator statements that the cafe warung kopi tepi Sungai Depok is not the main choice. So to achieve it, cafe warung kopi Sungai Depok needs to be improving its service, add new menu, and maintain the cleanliness of the cafe warung kopi. And then the cafe warung kopi tepi Sungai Depok will become the customer first choice. Well, I think that's all I have to say. So I want to thank you once again to allowing me to speak in you today. So good afternoon and have a nice day. Thank you.